Stay with me, take a good idea. If you have a like that problem, could be similar for your car. At the moment I am not worried about the bottom two. At the moment I am going to find out what's the cause for the P026 with toothbrush, and I'm going to clean that area as much I can. Make sure it's not stuck. You can see now it's working. For the permanent faulty code, it's look like a Land Rover dealer fault. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have Range Rover 3 liter 2015 car. Basically engine management on and DPF light on. I'm going to plug in computer and have a look what's going on there. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our lot of useful video and tips like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, you know what to do. Mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go inside the car. I'm going to start the car. You can see as it is. Engine management light on and exhaust filter warning light there. You can see there. Right. However, as a first step, I'm going to plug in the computer and have a look what's going on there. Then after that, we can go step by step. Stay with me, take a good idea. If you have a like that problem, could be similar for your car, never know. We'll see how it's going on. I'm going to plug in my computer and take a computer report out. I already plug in my connector and switch off the car and ignition on. I'm going to call health report. Already 4 code for the engine management. Right, under engine management you can see P2463 diesel particulate filter restriction bank 1 and the P0234 77 turbo supercharged overboost condition and charge air cooler, and another one invalid data. But however, at the moment I am not worried about the bottom two. At the moment I am going to find out what's the cause for the P0234 77 turbo supercharger overboost condition. I feeling because of this overboost condition illuminate for the particulate filter problem. Then I'm going to engine bay and have a look what happened to the turbo overboost condition. Let's go to the engine bay. I'm going to ignition off, leave it everything as it is. If you need to open the bonnet, you need to go to the passenger door. Need to open the cover. Normally common problem for this car, this flap inside here, it's going to be stuck in closed position. I'm going to remove this hose and have a look what's going on inside first. This is normal common problem for the Land Rovers. It's 7 mil. Now I'm going to remove this hose. Right. I'm going to disconnect this connector, and after that disconnect this air line. Do it very gently because this line very delicate. And after that we need to lift up this one. Then after that wiggle and take out this plastic hose. Right, now it's out. Lift up this one and you can remove it. You can see this flap shouldn't stuck. Now it's stuck. When I give the pressure, see, it's open. What I'm going to do, I'm using carb cleaner with toothbrush and I'm going to clean that area as much I can. Make sure it's not stuck. You can see here how about the carbon build up there. I'm going to clean in. See, all carbon. You can see now it's working fine. Take your own time and clean it nicely, and after that you won't have any problem for a while. Right, I am happy now. It's moving. Right, now I'm going to install this hose. Make sure all the way in. After that you can connect this connector and connect this air hose, and after that you can connect this pipe. This one all done, reconnected. Next step, I am going to check any air leaking surround this area. I am going to fix my smoke machine and have a look what's going on here. I'm going to remove this clamp and connect my smoke machine there. I already removed hose from the air box and I connected this line from the smoke machine. Then this one you can connect it to the inside battery, but however I'm using additional power battery, and I leave it like a 5-10 minutes, and I leave it while because I can't find any leaks around this area. All went fine. Then I'm going to reconnect this hose and going to relearn value for the throttle from the computer, and after that I'm going to attend to the DPF. This is very smaller machine, doing very good job. If you need to buy, I'll mention link in below. I'm going to reset all warning light. Right, everything gone, only the left diesel particulate filter. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to underneath and inject chemical for the DPF and show you what I'm going to do next step. Ignition off again and jack up the car and go underneath. I'm going to inject this one to DPF and show you what I'm going to do afterward. I already jack up the car passenger side, then exhaust close to the passenger side, and I'm going underneath and inject the chemical. I am underneath the car. What we have to do, we need to find out front pressure sensor. There is a 2 lines going to the DPF. This one like going here underneath, that means the after cat. We need to find out before cat. This one going straightly. You can see it's going in and it's going to the front of the cat. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove from here and I'm going to inject chemical from here. Right, you can see as it is, I already removed black color pipe, this one, and I connected see-through pipe because my spray gun won't able to go in through that hole. That's why I connected this see-through pipe, and I'm going to inject chemical now. I already inject the chemical and reinstall this pipe. Then I'm going to top of the car and rest of thing do with the computer. I need to take to the road test. Already lower the jack. Then I'm going to inside the car. I'm going to feed like installing new DPF. Once I finish, then after that I'm going to do the regen process. Diagnosis double code, clear and read. Yeah, yes, press OK. Right, it's exit from menu. Now I'm going to start the car, and you can see dashboard clear. I'm going to little bit high rev. Couple of times. High revving. You can see little bit firm on the floor and bit smoke. I don't know, you can see the smoke. Right, after that I'm going to do dynamic regen. Right, I am ready to enter to motorway. At the moment I check my faulty code, no faulty code there. I'm going to motorway journey, half an hour. Please come with me, let's go for a motorway journey. Right, I'm in a motorway. You can see the speed. I'm going to continue another 15 minutes like that and read from the computer again any faulty code left there. Went 22 miles motorway journey. Now I'm going to switch off the car. Again start the car. No any warning at the dashboard. Again switch off. And ignition on. I'm going to check with the computer any faulty code left in there. Read any faulty code. Right, invalid data received from gateway A. That one I can't do much thing for the permanent faulty code. It's look like a Land Rover dealer faulty code. However, all DPF warning light gone, boost vacuum light gone. Yeah, another successful job. If you have like this problem, you know what to do now. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.